So this is the tutorial for the Tangled gnome that we did in a live. I've had tons of people request it, so here it is. I sketched a gnome and whatever I wanted for like the hair to be shaped like. And I'm going to use a Tangle called Senna inside of that. And I think I just did some stripes on the hat of this one. So all I'm doing is making sure that like each section of hair is going in different directions and just going everywhere. And then I'll end up putting senna in that. But for the hat, I really felt like stripes for this. I didn't want it to have too many busy tangles on it since the hair's already gonna have a lot of dark depth to it with weighting that it just naturally does when you do senna. So I did some stripes here, and then I did some tiny stripes in between, kind of similar to like almost candy cane striping. And then I weighted the ends of these. And then after I weighted the ends of them, I went right into the actual hair and did senna into each section of the hair and then weighted that. I did not do the coloring, shading, and charcoal on camera, but I did show the finished look once I was all done with all the senna. And I really recommend start with gratitude. Work at clearing your mind to leave all the junk from the day behind as you do this. Your tangle is going to turn out so much different, and you're going to be so much happier with it if you have a mindset of being in a great place and not letting the junk of the past, things you have no control over, kind of guiding the tangle. So here's Freddie. He turned out fabulous. So check out my Etsy shop. I have lots of kits there.